how you can start having $500 to $2,000 days promoting just one affiliate system that's paying daily 100% commissions. That's right, daily 100% commissions. So if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering, how can you make it happen? How can you have results as a newbie, as someone who never had any experience online, who never made a dime online? So if you're watching this video, I'll tell you one thing. You have to choose one offer, and this is really important, high quality offer that's paying high ticket commissions. And what I mean by that, I mean the offer that's paying at least $500 upwards to $2,000 per sale. Why? Because that will enable you to have the life that you desire, to have your bills paid, to have your car payments paid. Because imagine this, if you're only shooting for $50 to $100 per sale on ClickBank, yes, you can make millions, but you need to have a huge budget. You need to spend lots of money per day on Google ads, on Facebook ads, IG ads, doesn't matter, right? It's all about having the high ticket offer and also someone to guide you through step by step along the way, right? To have someone to show the ropes of how it's done. So if you're watching this video, and if you want to have these kind of results as you see in this video right now, as you're watching and listening to my voice, then what you can do is just simply subscribe to my channel, and after watching this video, click the link below this video, where you're gonna connect with me on social media, on Instagram, as you can see over there, on Facebook, or any other platform below this video. So just simply click the link below this video, or reach out to me personally, and I will personally help you to have the results you desire.